In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Vercel. We'll walk through the full process inside Vercel and then update the DNS settings in GoDaddy so your custom domain points to your deployed project correctly. This is a straightforward setup, but it's important to follow each part carefully because the domain connection depends on the DNS records matching exactly. First, go to your Vercel dashboard and open the project you want to connect to your domain. Make sure you're selecting the correct project, especially if you manage multiple websites in the same Vercel account. Once you're inside the project, click the Settings tab at the top. After that, look to the left sidebar and select Domains. This is where Vercel manages all domain connections for that specific project. Now, enter your full GoDaddy domain in the domain field and click Add. Be sure to type the complete domain correctly, since even a small typo can cause the configuration to fail or point traffic to the wrong place. After you add the domain, Vercel will recognize that it's using an external DNS provider rather than Vercel's own name servers. Because of that, you'll likely see a status that says invalid configuration. Don't worry, that's expected at this stage. Vercel will also show you the DNS records it recommends adding. These records are the key part of the setup, so copy them carefully exactly as shown. Next, go to GoDaddy and add those DNS records to your domain's DNS management area. This is the step that tells your domain where to send visitors when they type in your website address. When adding records, make sure the record type, name, and value all match what Vercel provided. If there are any old or conflicting records already in GoDaddy, those can interfere with the connection, so pay close attention to what's currently listed. Once you've added the required DNS records in GoDaddy, return to the domains page in your Vercel project. At this point, Vercel will begin checking the DNS configuration. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. Sometimes they update quickly, and other times they can take a little while to propagate. Finally, verify the connection. If everything was entered correctly and the DNS has propagated, the invalid configuration warning should disappear and your domain should show as connected. At that point, your GoDaddy domain will be linked to your Vercel project and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Vercel.